Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off the Google Translate feature in Google Chrome. So if you don't want to be prompted for the option to go ahead and actually translate by pages that are in different languages, I show you guys how to do that. Just need to open up Chrome and click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select languages. On right side you just need to scroll down under Google Translate. Use Google Translate when on. Google Translate will offer to translate sites into your preferred language. It can also automatically translate sites. You just need to turn it off, and that's all you have to do it, guys. Now we have successfully turned off the Google Translate feature in Google Chrome. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.